Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we have another install video. This time it is on the charger. As you can see right here, we have another, I guess you can say, cosmetic mod. We are installing a blackout plate. Huge shout out to them. They sent your boy out a blackout plate. I've been wanting one for a minute actually, but I just been lazy. I do have all this set up. I was making Instagram videos, so everything is set up. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the full install video. So pretty much, you hook up the cigarette lighter to the box right here. The box goes to a 2-wired outlet, and you're gonna hook up this little red light you can put inside to see if it's on or not. Put the other one to the main wires right here. Connect this one to the plate, and then it comes with obviously instructions, new screws for the plate itself, and then a remote to control all this so you control it inside or outside the car. I'm not sure how far it goes. If I can find it, I will pop it up, but yeah, like I said, I've been wanting one of these. These are freaking pretty high quality plate. Only thing that I can say about these, it is gonna tint your plate a little bit, which is obviously kind of illegal, but we are gonna see. So let's just get right into it. I just ran everything so I can show you guys how it works. We had the cigarette lighter ran through, out the car, all that good stuff. And like I mentioned, you have the light right here so you can see if it's on or not. With the click of a button, as you can see, you guys can't see anything. Turn it off. It just goes back to completely like normal. The light over here stays off on this. Once again, click it. Click the little A button. It goes completely black. The light goes on. That's how you know that the plate is black like that. Click it again. Boom, it's off. This thing's pretty fucking sick. Like I said, the only thing is just gonna tint the plate a little bit, but hopefully it's not too bad. So, you rip ass. But anyway, let's just get to installing this. I'm pretty hyped about this thing. All right. So what we're gonna do is unplug it from here. Put that there for now. And then it also comes with a little bracket to mount this plate. So we're gonna, I think this is extra wire, just in case you fuck it up from here, is what I'm pretty sure. So we'll put this to the side for now. Screws, and like I mentioned, it comes with a little bracket for your plate. Ooh, wow. Oh. Actually, I don't know how the fuck this is gonna work. What? I think you slip it inside, if I'm not misunderstood. This goes inside, I think. I don't know, guys, I'm a little sped, so hold on. Give me a second. What the fuck? Be a lot easier with a screwdriver. Oh. Alright, we have the plate off. Like I mentioned, I have a previous hole in here. Boom. I did have a hole in here from the previous plate, so you guys are gonna have to drill a hole into your plate. I have it here. Then you might take this off. I do have a hole somewhere. I probably didn't have, I just realized that, fuck. I had a hole here this whole time. What the fuck is this? Maybe if I take this out. Wait, where the fuck is the hole at? Maybe I'll just run it through here then. I might just run it through this little fucking thing right here. Ooh, sneaky sneak. No, I'm gonna have to take this thing out. Oh, but I have that set up. Intermission. I'm going off of what I think. Like I'm not reading the instructions because fuck that. So I'm gonna put the bolts in like this, and then we're gonna put the screen on after. So let's line these up somehow, some way. And there's one. I think there's two. Yeah. So what I think is it goes on like this, and then we put that on after, is what I think. But I hope, at least. What? There. Nice and tight, somewhat. I might reuse that other bolt. And then I think it goes like this. Well, how the fuck am I gonna wire this then? All right, after some struggling, I finally got it. What I did was I grabbed something very long and skinny.
Okay.
And I got it and I stuck it through the hole that I have here. And I ran it through this little nubby thingy. I don't know what the fuck, but it worked. So now we have the wires through the car. So that's, I think, is the hardest part to do. You know what? Okay, boom. That's back into place. So now I can move all these wires to the side. I have it connected here. So what we're gonna do now, what did he do? He ran it through first. Ran it through first. Let's run it through here. This is why I can't have nice things. I cannot. That one, let's put this bolt on. If I can find the hole. Wow, daddy. That shit just spinning. I need new fucking. Alright, now. Where's that card at? What the fuck is this supposed to do?
Don't force it in the video.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
I'm forcing it. Ow! Bitch! Okay. There's one side. There's two. With the loose ass fucking bolt. I actually might put 3M tape back there. That's gonna piss me off, dude. Whatever. Hey, there's that. It looks pretty dark, huh?
No.
I guess we're gonna run with it, I guess. Whatever. As long as you can't. Okay. There's the wires run through here. So now we can put this down. Actually, let's pick this up. Pick that up, and then we're gonna pop this back into place. Run this through the side of it. I don't know how you would install this in any other car, so this is for Chargers or Challengers, I guess. I think. I don't know, I'm probably the worst person to watch install something because I don't take my time. Okay. That's done. I think that was the hardest part because after this it's fucking piece of cake. What we're gonna do is run it through the board. We're gonna feed it through the other side of the car. Open this up. Put my fucking, what? Put my seats down. God.
Okay.
Seats down. God.
Okay.
No, I'm not. Okay. We're gonna grab it. Get it all the way through until it's a little tight.
You're a little tight.
Oh, yeah.
Poop just falls out.
What the fuck? And we're gonna tuck it kind of in a way so it's like that, so it's kind of hidden, kind of not. And then pretty much, yeah, we're just gonna feed it through the car. Probably put the seat up now. Yeah. Hide the wire. And then we can put the seats back up. And yeah, I'm gonna finish tucking all these wires. Pretty much I'm gonna run it through the door jamb, out through the seat, up into the center console, and we'll be Gucci. We just finished wiring everything up. Ooh, I can put on my keychain. And pretty much, you can see there's no wire showing at all. What I did was I ran it through all this trim right here under the seat. I have floor mats. If you have floor mats, I just put the floor mats on top of the wire so you can't see anything. No wire showing over there. We go to the front. I plugged mine into the cigarette lighter in the center console. If you guys know, if your chargers, the center console one always stays on. So if you have your one up there free, I don't have two things plugged in up there. I have my Valtronic mufflers and then my dash cam plugged up there, so I don't have any other one. So I am gonna holy shit. I'm gonna leave it plugged into the middle, and then if you guys look closely right here, this is a little light. So I know it's right here, something little, you can barely see it, so that's why I put it right here, just so I know if it's on or not. I'll probably end up moving it somewhere else, maybe down here. But for now, it's gonna stay there. Wire's hidden a little bit. Kind of, I'll probably end up fixing it. Oh, actually, matter of fact, boom, simple fix. Can't even see it. Boom. Boom, tough. Boom, cool. So, that's pretty much the install. It's actually pretty easy, especially if you already have that pre-cut. I'm sure you're able to run it somewhere up here, but to see if it 100% works, holy shit, that's actually badass as fuck. Turn it back on. Damn, okay, it doesn't look that bad. That's my only concern with it, is that it's tinted, and if you guys know, in California, it's illegal to have tinted license plates, so it's legal to fucking be alive in California, apparently. But yeah, it's a cool little add-on. I can add this to my keychain. If you want, let's see how far this will go. Or close the trunk. Yeah, this actually looks sick. I am gonna hold on to this carbon fiber one though, just in case. Just in case. Let's see. If I go all the way back here, boom, off. Keep going back. All right, I'm gonna cross the whole street over here. I'd say about 40, 30 yards maybe. Off, on, off. Oh my God, that's sick. Dude, what the fuck? That's actually so sick. Turn it off, dude, that thing's actually clutch. You can kind of tell there's a plate cover on it from a glare, but whatever. That's actually so sick. I mean, you can't even tell it's wired though. It just looks normal, no? This looks like a plate cover, huh? Yeah. And so I say, I'm gonna run. I'm just kidding, this shit ain't going nowhere. But no, this is actually fucking super sick. Like I said, I am gonna hold on to this carbon fiber one because I like carbon fiber. Carbon fiber! But, like I said, that's the install. That's how to install one of your guys' plates. Like I said, this is probably, pretty sure it's a backup wire. So I'm gonna keep everything inside this box and put this probably... Put this probably somewhere safe just in case. Pretty sure that's everything it came with. Yeah. But yeah, huge shout out to BL4CKOUTPLATE once again. This thing is actually so sick. Even the remote, dude, like it's fucking... It's pretty high quality shit, man. Oh, 12's coming. Oh, shit. All right, they're gone. They never... Oh, shit, 12. Type shit. I'm going to clean it, though, because there is a glare. Let me write it down real quick. Oh, my fingerprints. But yeah, no, it's actually fucking badass. I've never had one of this. Like I said, the other one I had literally dropped, so it took about like 3 seconds for it to shut. This, instant. Yeah, fucking badass, I know. But yeah, that's how to install a BL4CKOUTPLATE. For those that are interested, I will have a link in the bio. This is the install video. I'm going to be posting on my Instagram as well, so if you guys want, feel free to check that out. But like I said, this is how to install a BL4CKOUTPLATE, or really any plate. It's the same process, just this is a higher quality one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the install. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.